I used to start my day staring at a mountain of unread emails, follow-ups, random tasks, team questions, cold leads waiting. It was chaos. And every single day felt like I was just catching up, no breathing room, no flow, just reacting. Now, I wake up to things already done. Emails sent, clients booked, reports drafted, stuff just handled. And no, I didn't hire 3 new employees, I built an AI agent, and it literally runs parts of my business while I sleep. Sounds dramatic, I know, but let me break this down. I run an Amazon agency. We help brands grow through ads and creative work, which means my day used to be a mess of outreach, reporting, content writing, checking metrics, following up with leads, fixing stuff, more outreach. You get the idea. So, one day I just sat down and thought, what if I stopped trying to do it all and instead built a digital version of myself? Not to do everything, but to handle the repetitive stuff that drains my time. That's where this AI agent came in. Let's start with outreach, cold emails. I've got this spreadsheet of Amazon sellers doing between $30,000 to $1 million a month. My AI agent takes one lead at a time, checks out their Amazon store, and spots stuff like bad images, weak titles, no A+ content, missing reviews, and then it writes a super relevant 3 to 4 line email that actually makes sense. Then it sends it automatically through instantly. Now, if someone replies, my AI sees the reply, figures out what they're saying, and writes back. It might say, hey, here's a link to book a call, or totally get it, let's follow up next week, or even answer a question about pricing. It's like having a really polite assistant who never takes breaks and actually replies on time. And I didn't stop at emails. This agent also writes my LinkedIn posts and newsletter drafts. Every week it pulls the latest Amazon-related updates, runs that through ChatGPT, and gives me 3 post options in plain natural language. No robotic corporate tone, it sounds like me. I usually just tweak one, add a bit of personality, and hit send. What used to take me 2 hours now takes like 15 minutes. Then there's reporting. If you've ever run client accounts, you know how brutal reporting can be. Gathering ad data, checking ROAS, making slides. Now, my AI agent pulls AD performance every Friday, calculates all the key metrics, and writes a short summary. Something like, hey, your ACOS improved 12% this week. Here's what's working. Then it drops everything into a ready-to-go Google Slides report. I just send it with a Loom video and call it a day. Here's the wild part. The whole system, email, content, reports, runs on tools that cost me maybe $100 a month, and the setup took less than a week. That's less than hiring one person, and it works 24/7. So what tools did I use? ChatGPT, that's the brain. Zapier, the connector. Google Sheets, to track everything, instantly for emails. Beehiiv, for newsletters. Canva plus Loom, for creatives and updates. Perplexity, for quick research. And Notion to stay organized. Now, I'm not saying AI does everything. I still review, I still strategize, I still do human things, but I'm no longer buried in the grind. And that's the whole point. If you're running a business, or even freelancing, here's the truth. You don't need to work more. You need to replace yourself in the parts that drain your time and energy. And AI makes that possible, even if you're not technical. I didn't code anything. No Python, no scripts, just drag, drop, test, and tweak. If you can write a checklist, you can build an agent. And once you do, you stop being the worker and start being the builder. Now, here's what I'd recommend. Pick one thing you hate doing. Maybe it's outreach, maybe reporting, maybe posting on LinkedIn. Whatever it is, map out the steps. Then ask, can ChatGPT do this? Can Zapier move this data? Can I automate 70% of this? Start there. Build one mini agent, then another, stack a few of those. You've got yourself a system that keeps running, even when you take a break. And if you want me to walk you through building one, like literally show the tools, prompts, everything, drop a comment below that says, Agent Build. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that little bell icon. This is just the start. On this channel, we're not here to just talk about AI. We're here to use it, to build freedom. Let's go from zero to freedom, together.